12. It says it only makes 12. And we made 31. You ready to pop it?
Okay.
Are you guys ready to see it pop?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's do it. Hello guys, it's Camila here, if you don't know. Today we are unboxing Galaxy Oozos. If you don't know how I was reading it, it's found on the back. So if you're doing this on YouTube, so now we're gonna open it. You have to be strong to open it this way, right, Mommy?
That's right.
So we got this. Anything else? No. Ooh, it's sticky. We got. So we got these scissors. We got oozos. We got some paint and it's white, pink, and blue. We got a popsicle stick, a oozo maker, a spoon, activator,
Turn it over and see what it says. Base. And what else do you have?
and we got some glitter.
And what's the last thing you have?
This direction.
Instructions?
Yeah. Now, let's read the instructions. I'm going to show you the instructions, how they look. Okay, we don't need those. Make sure your work area is covered because this activity could be a little messy. You have to be careful. You have to be careful, right, Mommy?
Yes, and half is a little under the label at the bottom. Lift it up. It's a big bowl. You don't have to be on the edge. Lift it up. Yeah. Pour in half.
Eventually,
you have to mix it up until all of the white stuff is gone, and you have to sit it here for 1 hour. So we are gonna let it sit. So while the base is drawing, we're gonna start with the activator. Let's pull it in. Well, that's like a volcano, right? Looks like. See how it's turning white? What is the activator? Activator, I can see you. I don't feel the activator. We put 3 cups of water in here, and we have to stir it until it gets clear. Let's take the base. Oh, it's so hard to move, so it must be done. Look. It looks like goop. It looks like space goop. See? Ooh, we got some space goop. Okay, it looks good. So we're gonna put this activator base in there. And so we could
make the oozos.
So we can make the oozos. Oops, is that too much? Okay. See? Like that. See? That good? We got to do this one. Right? They're like slime already. These paints are from my last video when I painted my tea set. If you haven't seen that video, please check it out. We got clear, green, red, purple. Oops. We got blue and pink. Okay. So you're supposed to put the oozo maker in the activator, so the slime won't stick to the oozo maker. This is slime, and you put the slime in the oozo maker. You put the oozo maker in the activator. You have to put the slime in the oozo maker. And now you have to put the oozo maker in the activator and move it in a circle, and you just have to do it over and over again. See how that works? Look, they are changing by themselves.
Yeah, they turn into circles on their own. I don't know. Maybe the activator just knows to. Or maybe when we put in the other ones, it's just like when you do the circular motion, it still like make it round.
Yeah, when it hits the other one.
Yeah.
You guys, from our last video, the winner was Harry.
Henry, you won from the last video, Henry.
Yay! So now we pop them.
So we're going to see how many we have. Drop them in there.
1,
Drop it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31.
We made 31 oozos out of, it says it only makes 12. And we made 31. You ready to pop it?
Okay.
Are you guys ready to see it pop?
Ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's see. Oh, look, it went over there. Look, all the slime bust out.
Look at the inside.
It's cool. Look, it's over here. It's squirted over there.
Ooh.
Let me do one. I want to do a color. Oh, you want to do the same color? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's ooey gooey.
Look at
And
the
if you put it back in the activator, it's supposed to reactivate itself.
Ooh, here goes the one that we use all the cuddles.
Yeah. Skip. Oh! It's squirted in my hand. Look at the slime, you guys.
Here goes the clear one. Oh!
Oh!
Oh, it's squirted in my hand.
Did you hear the noise it made?
Yeah, like poof.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's feeling. Oh my
It could be a little messy, you guys. That's why we covered the table.
See?
I love them.
Oh.
They're very cool.
Yeah, they're very fun.
They're very cool.
Don't pop it. Hey guys, if you like our channel, like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the bell. Thank you for watching from the IDC family.